Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix cannot open the page. Safari cannot open the page because this is invalid error on your iPhone or iPad's iOS 16. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, what you need to do is just go back to your home screen, and there are a couple of methods to solve this issue. So the very first thing what you need to do is just here check your mobile data, whether you have strong internet connection if you are using the mobile data, and if you are using the Wi-Fi connection here, then what you need to do is just you have to change your Wi-Fi connection and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the next method. For that, what you need to do is just here launch Stings app, and then scroll it below here, and here look at the Safari. Here it is. So tap on this and scroll it below here. Here scroll it to the very bottom and tap here on advanced, and from here tap on website and data, and from here you have to remove all website data. Tap on remove now and just go back here, and from here what you need to do is just here in the Safari menu, here is the option of clear history and website data. So tap on this, and now clear history and data. From here close all tabs or keep tabs as you wish. So after that what you need to do is just here scroll and then go back here and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then go for the next step. For that, you'll launch Stings app, and then tap here on general, and from here tap on date and time, and make sure that both 24-hour time and set automatically tokens are turned on here. So after this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists here, then what you need to do is just go for the next step. For that, what you need to do is just you have to reset your network settings. Here tap on general, and from here scroll it below all the way and tap on transfer or reset icon, and from here tap on reset, and from here reset network settings. Give here your passcode for your device like this, and give you a screen time passcode, and your reset network settings process will be done, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, again here launch settings, and then from here tap on mobile data if you are using the mobile data, and from here what you need to do is just here look at the Safari app. Here you can see, from here you have to make sure that the toggle for the Safari here is turned on. So after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the final one. For that, what you need to do is just simply force restart by pressing and holding the combination of the keys according to your iPhone or iPad model, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem, let me know in the comment. I help you. Thanks for watching.